recognition editorial team is covering the IMDEX Asia 2019, which is the 12th edition of the event. 230 companies coming from 29 countries, including Singapore, the Netherlands, India, France, Italy and Israel, are exhibiting during the event. This is the largest defense and security exhibition in the Southeast Asia region.
Israel Shipyards is a privately owned company which is based in Haifa Bay in the north part of Israel. We have about 400 employees and our main task is designing and constructing vessels, mainly for naval and law enforcement use. We have different type of vessels, from the shorter one, which is the Shaldag Mark II, about 25 meters, made of aluminum as a fast patrol craft, and up to 72 meters missile corvette, which is a new design which is on display here in the show. We have a variety of fast patrol crafts as well as other OPVs. On this side we can see two family members of the Shaldag family. A Shaldag is a fast patrol craft made of aluminum, propelled by water jets. Each one of them has got two engines. The fact that they are made of aluminum enables them to be very, very fast and easy to maneuver and also easy to maintain. The shorter one is 25 meters, Shaldag Mark II. The longer one is Shaldag Mark V, which is about 33 meters, almost 100 tons. Again, made of aluminum, but can carry a lot of payload, military payload, up to missiles, short-range missiles, or medium-range missiles as well. On my other side, you can see the OPVs. The OPV 62 meters is based on the hull of the SAR 4.5 of the Israeli Navy. And the OPV 72 meters is based on a new design of Israel Shipyards. We are also here for presenting a new development that is just released today, which is the OPV 45 meters, a multi-purpose vessel, which will enable the user to use it for long terms along the coast and also to use it for tasks of rescue operations and search operations. As well, it can carry different type of payloads from stern launching rib up to 2 containers of 20 footers, guns or non-lethal weapon, etc. Whatever is needed for the customer, it's very flexible design. IMDEX is a very important show for us because it's in the center of the region of Asia Pacific, which we have a lot of potential customers here. We aim to this customer first to meet them, of course, and to show them our new products and what is new in the shipyard, but also to have a lot of discussions about potential business with them. We meet here a lot of delegations. We are scheduled to meet up to 12 delegations, formal delegations today, and we have a lot of expectations from this show.
Hey guys, this is Cody Warner here. I'm sales manager for Deep Trekker. We are a ROV manufacturer based in Canada. We're here at the IMDEX show showing with our Singapore-based reseller Marine Commerce. We're showing off our DTG3 ROV and DTX2 ROV. Our company started 10 years ago. It was all based around 3 friends on a boat that dropped a flashlight overboard, and we thought, we could make a robot to go get that. And a few years later, and we had thousands of vehicles in 80+ countries worldwide for a variety of applications. For the purposes of defense, we see it used for inspections for security purposes. We see it used for inspections of hulls for maintenance purposes as well, to check for possible damage in the case of either a strike or also in just the case of ongoing wear and tear. We also see it used for explosive ordnance disposal, so whenever you want to get eyes on a potential target underwater, you're able to use this to get eyes on it and evaluate what kind of equipment you need to put in to intervene with that explosive instead of putting a human diver at risk. So the DTG3 here is a recent release within this past month. It's depth rated to 200 meters and comes standard with a 4K camera. You can put all kinds of different accessories on it. So whether it's a sonar to help search for that explosive, positioning systems to be able to put waypoints on potential explosives, as well as grabbers so then you can actually do intervention on those explosives. We are very popular and known for making a very, very rugged, durable vehicle. It's long lasting. It's also very portable. So it's all run out of a single carrying case, and it also is battery powered, so I don't need to worry about having a generator on site. You can just very quickly deploy and get eyes underwater right away instead of waiting for a diver to suit up.
Pineapple breeze.
We are from SUTD Roll Lab. I'm Karthikeyan Ilangovan. I'm working under Professor Mohan Rajesh Hilera. So this is our platform, Tarantula. Tarantula is a bio-inspired, self-reconfigurable drainage inspection and mapping robot. So why we are built Tarantula? In Singapore, there's a lot of drainage system. There's a lot of level changes in it. Normal typical robot cannot withstand with those level changes and everything. So we build our Tarantula to navigate all along the surface, like one level to another level, transform smoothly. Because we need to take a 3D map of the whole drain. As well, we need to check the debris, clogs, and crackages on the side of the walls. So that's why we develop our Tarantula. The Tarantula legs are inspired from giraffe. So the giraffe is the only animal it have opposite leg patterns. So other animals it doesn't have those. So the wheels are unique here. It's a holonomic single point ball wheels. So it can go all the directions, like a forward, backward, left, right, and diagonal, and then it can go all the ways. These wheels are inside the drain. The steering one, it's quite difficult to turn along the way. So it's with those wheels, we can just move X direction or Y direction. It can just navigate all along the through. So that's our main, and then it can go up to 1 meter level changing. So inside the drain, there is a 10 centimeter to 1 meter level change are there. So we can go with this Tarantula with a 1 meter. We can able to navigate all along the way. So this is tether. We have a 3D LiDAR scanner, so it can scan the whole drainage system. As well, with the camera, we use deep learning algorithm to detect the cracks and debris and clogs as well. This is a government funded project. We are closely work with NEA. It's a national environment agency. So this is their requirement to map the whole drainage system. According to the customer request, yeah, of course, we can do a lot of variety robots. Because we are the big team, like 40 researchers, around 25 postdocs, and remaining all research assistant research engineers. So yeah, of course, we have a lot of capabilities. Like if you see here in the poster, this is all inspection and surveillance categories, and this is a cleaning and maintenance category. So we have around more than 17 different kind of robots.